Yellow, yellow. So I want to work on Mercy with You by Brett Young. This song has a verse and a chorus, and those are the only two parts of it. And there are 4 chords involved. So you have C, nice. Then you have G, A, and then you have A minor, cool. And then you got F, nice, nice, nice. So we're going to use the swung strum, which is on the bottom here, and it says down, down, up, down, up. So it goes, if we're practicing on C, we'd go down, down, up, down, up. Yeah. And so one pattern, one measure. So 2 measures of the same thing, 2 patterns of the down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Nice. All right. So let's do this starting off with the verse. And it starts on C. And we're going to go 2 measures. So 2 patterns. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And then G. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. A minor. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And then G. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And then F. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And then G. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Now we're going to go into the chorus, starting on A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, F, down, up, C, down, up, G, down, down, A minor, down, up, F, down, up, C, down, up, G, down, up, A minor, down, up, F, down, up, C, down, up, G, down, down, F, down, F, down, up, G, down, G, down, down, up. Nice. Back to the verse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And then G. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And then A minor. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, G. Down, down, up, down, down, up. And then F. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, G. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Now let's go to the chorus. A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, F, down, up, C, down, up, G, down, down, A minor, down, up, F, down, up, C, down, up, G, down, down, minor, down, up, F, down, up, C, down, down, G, down, down, F, down, down, up, G, down, 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 up. And now if we sing it with it, start verse and then chorus, and then we're going to end on the C. So let's start from the top. 1, 2, from the verse. C. Why you gotta look so good just to hurt me? And the G. Why you gotta stop this world from turning? Yeah, on F. Now to G. Mercy. Now the chorus. 1, 2, 3, A minor. And if you're gonna break my heart, then break it. And if you're gonna break my heart, please just break it. Break it fast. And if you're gonna break my heart, just make it. Make this last. Then F, C, and then to G. And then end on C. Nice. I'm sure you can sing it much nicer than me, but that is kind of how it goes, and I hope that this breakdown of the chords helps. Peace out.